This video, I'm going to show you how I do syncing if I've got a slide that's particularly complex. I don't always do this, but if I do, you can go in and publish to Word. You can hide your layers if you want, but be sure that you show your slide notes. Then when you click Publish, what Storyline's going to do is actually create a Word document. And instead of having editable slides, you're going to have just a picture that shows each slide from your storyline, and then below that picture you're going to have the slide notes. So I always type my script into the slide notes. I read that. You'll see it over here that it shows what the script for this is. And then I'm going to go ahead and open that document up. So here's an example slide. You'll see that I've got a diversity theme and that I've got 4 different text boxes: physical characteristics, life experiences, personal preferences, and skills. So what I do then is I go through and I actually write numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 so that I know when I want each of those animations to come in. I do that because it gives me the time to really pick the exact word that we want these to animate in. I've got the title coming in, as I say, full spectrum, and that title slide's going to fly in. And then I go through and I pick the other words, and then I'm going to use something called cue points. So now I've got a Word doc open on one screen and Storyline on the other. When you hit play or you press the play button, Storyline, the scrubber, will preview as you see here, and then I can press C on my keyboard. So I look at the script and see exactly what it is that I need. And then I can go through and say, okay, I want the first one to come in here, and physical characteristics is number 2, and life experiences is 3, and personal preferences is 4. So this is a good way to just work smart, not hard. If you've worked with this before, you know that that play bar takes a minute to get started and stop. And this gives me a way to actually go in and to add notes to my script, but without going through and messing up my notes pane. So if I'm going to publish this and people can go and choose the option of reading the script, I don't want a bunch of numbers in there. And like I said, I want to work smart, not hard. I don't want to have to add them and then take them back out. So I publish to Word, I put my numbers in there, and then I can just kind of focus on what I'm doing and get more done in a shorter amount of time.